So yeah, for the rest of them who does not know who Pungidasa is, that's me. So officially I'm named Sunil Satyendra, but Pungidasa is my self-kept pen name. Before I go on too much onto this, I think I'd love to say thank you to Ravi, Words of Bangalore, Starbucks, and everybody else. And this is my second open mix to on stage, but then I've done it far too many times online. So here it goes. So it's a very interesting poem. It's an ode to my mom. So before you cringe, I will start. So it's an ode to my mom. Don't cringe at all. My bum has never cringed at all. My bum has never cringed at all. I've had it seated on many a thing, but not once has it ever complained. I've splashed it with water cold and freezing. Not a bit of revolt, not a word said in anger. My bum, round and well maintained, has no issues with body image.
Can't hear you. You have to put the mic closer. Guys, come forward. There's a lot of seats around.
So basically, my bum, round and well maintained, has no issues with body image. It's an epitome of being grounded and humble. My bum has squeezed me out of trouble far too many times in narrow corridors of the bus and not so comfortable meetings. It's taken my weight day in and day out, sitting, sleeping, never been a snort of discomfort. My bum, my lovely round bum, has received many a punishment. 29 years of service. I've never really seen it that much. This is an ode to my bum. Sometimes housed in tight pants and uncomfortable poses. Not a single hint of disappointed outburst. It's even taken on injections, bitten by dogs. Seated itself stiff on long bus rides. It has soldiered on and on. So if you want me to repeat that, so it's taken on injections, bitten by dogs, seated itself stiff on long bus rides. It has soldiered on and on. So here is where it gets better. No songs have been sung in praise. No sonnets or ballads written in honor. That you know. Not a penny of gratitude bestowed. This bum of mine has its own story to tell. Without complaints, housing the exit canal of my thoughts and food. The humble holder of hearts, this is an ode to my bum. Names have been bestowed in languages many. Some used in slang and some unparliamentary terms. Yet maintaining an air of dignity about it, it's no dull push away. Put some music and watch it grow, full of boom and swagger. This is an ode to my mom. This is an ode to my mom.